Hello everybody, now I'm here in north of Kyoto. I'm go to onsen, that is hot water bath, hot spring. Now I come outside. Here you have nice mountain. It is today nice weather, but now it is a little bit late. Here you have nice mountain, beautiful nature. That's what I like. In these 2 weeks in Osaka, I was really tired. You see just big buildings, you not see any nature, you not see any park. It is just office, it is just big buildings, and that is what I'm get really tired. Now I'm happy that I come here in the nature, and I see the mountain, I see the water, and I see this beautiful place here. Here coming also a lot of tourists, and that's nice to see. So here is beautiful, very nice weather. I'm also sport a little bit, and now I will walk the side, go a little bit up, and there you have some restaurants. I think that there I can eat, and then after that I have to take the bus and go back to my hotel. I'm like 40 minutes from here, the bus where I'm staying. Kyoto, that's close to central station of Kyoto. And look, you have also some orange here. You see, that's orange. Because Japan in the summer is very hot. Japan have fierce season in the summer. Here is very hot. I'm here, but now it is cold. Now it is not too hot. Here is very busy. Look, I will show you another side. It is also beautiful here. You will take a rest here. Here you have beautiful mountain. Look at here. So it's nice. I will walk this side, I will walk until there to see a little bit more of the nature of Japan. And that is here. You see a lot of tourists